Alrighty. Identification of the cat's digestive system. And go.
So this is first on our list. Adrenal glands are there's the main one, and we think this is another one. We're pretty sure it goes for sub 2, and there's not one that we can identify on the other side. So that is the adrenal gland. The esophagus is right here. This one right here. And so this is the trachea right next to it. And then the gallbladder is this body right here within the liver. This is the liver. The different lobes of the liver. This is the right side, right? Mm-hmm. So this is the right lateral, right medial, left lateral, and this is the caudate, just so you know. The greater and lesser omentum is the part, so this is the ovary, and, no, okay, this is the uterine horn, sorry. The omentums, this is the greater omentum that covers everything, okay?
The apron.
It's the apron of the stuff. And then the lesser omentum is right here, within the stomach. And so this is the stomach right here. And this is the greater curvature and the lesser curvature. If you were to cut the stomach open, the rugae are inside. This is the duodenum, this part right here. This is the pyloric sphincter. The heart, this is the right side of the heart, and this is the left side of the heart. Kidneys, the blue things on this, they're blue on this cat. So it's this guy right here, and this one right here. Then the large intestine, the different colons. So the large intestine is going, okay. This is, okay. So this is the ascending colon right here. This is the transverse colon, this part here. And the descending colon that goes into the rectum, down there. And then the liver, we already went over. The lungs, so you have different lobes of the lungs. So this is your right anterior, right medial, right lateral lobe, and left anterior, left middle, and left posterior. And what do we got now? Mesenteries is just all of this thin material in between the intestines. Ovaries I showed earlier, so I'll show them on the other side. This right here is an ovary, and this is, like I said, the uterine horn. Same thing on the other side. So there's the ovary on this side and the uterine horn. The pancreas and the spleen. Okay, so this right here is the spleen, and the pancreas is just below it. So you have your spleen, pancreas, kidney, or SPAC. Okay, and then within the small intestine is just everything else, because the large intestine is this material, small intestine is this stuff, and your duodenum comes from the stomach, so it's right here, and that goes into the ileum, which is the rest of, like, the whole middle part of it. And then the end, you have, okay, so this is the end of your small intestine, and this is the ileum, and this is the cecum, so this is the ileocecal valve, right there. The testes are not on this cat because this is a female cat because it has ovaries. That's kind of the big thing, but they would be right here on a male cat. There would just be a bulge right there. The thymus gland is partially present here, but because it's an older cat, it's kind of going away. The thyroid gland, we believe it is right here. Come on. This guy right here. expose it a little bit better. It's this right here. You can see that. And it's going to be on, there's two of them, one on each side. The trachea, the urethra and ureters.
I couldn't find them. I was like,
ureters are right here, and where's the urethra?
After the bladder.
Hey, Brittany.
Urethra.
So where's the bladder?
Here's the bladder. This bulge right here. On other cats, it might not be as prominent because this is full. So the urethra is going to be this right here underneath, this valve-looking thing. There's two. Comes off that fills the bladder. And the uterine horns already went over.
So we got it.
And that's everything.